I'm Eric. I'm going to show you how to totally refresh a room by just changing your handles on your cabinets. To install new handles for cabinets, you'll need a Phillips-head screwdriver or a power drill, new handles of your choice, and pliers to cut your snap screws down to size. The great thing about these is that they're the same size as our original handles. First step is to take off your handles with a screwdriver or a drill. Once the old handles are off, we're ready to put the new ones on. Our handles have come with snap screws, so we can cut them down to size. Top tip when you put in new handles is just do the top one up until it's finger tight. That way you have a little bit of wiggle room so you can get the bottom one in and it's perfectly aligned. And then you use your drill. And there you have it, a completely updated kitchen in no time at all.